Homemade cough syrup. You'll need raw organic honey, an organic yellow onion, a mason jar. Day 1. Combine 1 medium sliced onion and raw honey in a mason jar. Make sure the onions are submerged in the honey. Shake the jar a few times, and then place the mason jar in a cool, dark place overnight. Day 2. Place the cough syrup in the fridge. Take a teaspoon 3 to 4 times a day to quiet a cough. Fun facts: onions have an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial properties. Onions can help clear up phlegm, which makes onion and honey syrup very effective. Raw honey has many wonderful properties. Honey is also a great natural cough suppressant and relieves a sore throat. Honey is also rich in antioxidants. Thank you for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications.